What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Omega Greed YouTube channel, where we do a bunch of fun things with cars and we learn how to work on all the cars together. In today's video, we're jumping right into things, and we're going to be talking about my 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL and what are the couple things that I absolutely love about this thing. Honestly, I could give you guys just a exhausting list of all the things that I love about this Jeep, but here goes the couple quick things that I personally think about the most when I think about my Jeep Wrangler. One of the big things I will say is the absolute capability of this thing and just how you can go anywhere and everywhere with this thing. Like, look where we are. This place is absolutely beautiful, and the fact that the Jeep can bring you out here is one of the things that I absolutely love. Just the capability of it. Stock, you can do so much, especially now that I have my 3-inch through 3.5-inch lift kit and some 35-inch tires on there. It definitely brings out the capability of it, but just being able to go anywhere and everywhere. Normal pedestrian cars can't do this unless you do have something that can go off-road, even though right now this doesn't look that challenging, this little road I'm on right now. But where we just came from, which I'll have that video linked down below, yeah, your average ordinary like crossover just can't go. But that's the number one thing that I absolutely love about the Jeep. If you want a Jeep and you want to go places and explore, for sure the Jeep is definitely meant for you. The second thing I love about this thing is really how it looks. I can't express enough. I love the way this thing looks. It is so just unapologetic itself. You know, don't get me wrong, I do think there are some other sharp looking vehicles on the road, obviously, like even the new Bronco. I think the Bronco honestly looks great, but just the fact that this thing is, when you see that 7-slot grille, you instinctively know it's a Jeep. The looks of the Jeep is great. I love the fact that it's so square, so boxy, and I know some people don't necessarily like that. I personally do. I love the fact that it is square, it's boxy. It's very unique in that standing, and like for sure, like so many people want Jeeps because of, I think, the fact that they are so unique looking. You know, every other car is going to more of that curvy, you know, type of look, but Jeeps, they're not, and that is, you know, something that, you know, should be definitely noted. Third thing is for sure just how versatile the Jeep Wrangler is. On a day like this, you know, it's a beautiful day out. If I wanted to, I could take the roof off, take the doors off, and, you know, have this thing completely naked if I really wanted to. And that is something that, besides for the Bronco and the Jeep, is the only vehicles that you could do that are brand spanking new. You know, inside some older vehicles like some of the Suzuki like Samurais and stuff like that, you can also take the, like, you know, doors off and stuff like that, or take the roof. Taking the doors off of a Jeep is one of the funnest things that you could possibly do, and it really just changed the whole driving dynamics of it. And then lastly, I would say just the community of Jeeps, which I said this before inside of like my past videos, which I know I did some before on like my past Jeep Wrangler, things that I love about it, but the community around Jeeps is great. Even just coming out here, seeing other Jeep Wrangler owners, everyone's waving at each other, everyone's saying, hey, what's up? Most Jeep Wrangler owners, especially people who take it off-road, or even if you don't, a lot of the same Jeep Wrangler owners are really like happy to see each other. Everyone's really like communal with each other, and that's like a community that you don't really get with many other cars. I know that there is still similar things with other cars, but with the Jeep Wrangler, it truly is a great just, you know, community. Similar to like how motorcycle riders, everyone's, you know, saying hey, what's up to each other. People in Jeeps, you always do, and like I know people do like the Jeep ducking and stuff like that. It is really cool though. Once you really get into it though, it's a great community to just be a part of, and like that's cool. You know, you're buying a vehicle, you're buying a whole new community, and you know, find like-minded people, and that's really cool about that. These are my quick things that I love about the Jeep Wrangler. Trust me, there's so many more things I can always say, and I can say a million other things about this thing, but I absolutely love it. But if you guys want to check out this video right over here, this is going to be our last off-roading video that we did, which this is where we are right now inside this Jeep Wrangler. So check that video out. We'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.